In the most challenging acoustic environments, clarity isn't optional, it's essential. JBL Intellivox active digital beam shaping columns deliver intelligible audio where it matters most. At the heart of Intellivox is DDS beam shaping, JBL's advanced DSP technology that lets you place sound exactly where you need it and keep it away from where you don't. Maximum intelligibility, minimal reverberation, and consistent coverage from the front row to the back. With 13 models, Intellivox delivers scalable control and performance for any space with a slim, unobtrusive design, preserving the building's architecture. Compact models for intimate environments to higher output models engineered for large, reverberant applications. Choose the precision and power you need in any color you want. Every model features Dante audio networking, analog inputs, and IP control for setup and monitoring. With built-in redundancy, automatic switchover, and universal power supplies, Intellivox is built for mission-critical reliability and life safety. System designers can fine-tune performance with DDA simulation software, then upload optimized settings, making installation fast, accurate, and predictable. Across the world, Intellivox is trusted in today's most demanding spaces. Transportation, delivering clear public address announcements in rail stations, airports, and transit hubs. Houses of worship, ensuring spoken word clarity while preserving architectural beauty. Performing arts, providing powerful, discreet sound where performance and aesthetics must work hand in hand. Slim, powerful, precise. With digitally shaped coverage, unobtrusive design, and a range of models to suit your exact needs, JBL Intellivox leads the way for intelligibility in any environment.